Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download Scrabble application on your iPhone. So let's jump right into the video. First, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and once it is, open your app store. Go to the search box and type in Scrabble and search. Once you find this application from Scopely Inc., tap on the Get button to begin the download process. Now wait until the application is downloaded and installed. Soon after the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to open the app. Allow necessary permission for the application, and there you have successfully downloaded Scrabble application on your iPhone. Now you can go ahead and log in with your Facebook account, play as a guest, or sign in with your Apple ID. Scrabble Go is a mobile word game developed by Scopely and officially licensed by Hasbro. You can play against friends or random opponents, participate in various game modes, and earn rewards as you progress throughout the game. So that was how you can easily download and install Scrabble Go on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.